Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there lived a beautiful and kind fairy named Maleficent. She had a magical garden filled with flowers of all colors and sizes. Maleficent loved her garden dearly, and spent each day tending to it with care. She would sing to the flowers, making them grow taller and more vibrant. Her garden was a marvel to behold. One day, a small bird flew into the garden and broke a precious flower. Maleficent felt sad, but instead of getting angry, she decided to help the bird. She made a tiny birdhouse for the little creature to rest. The bird was grateful and sang a beautiful song of thanks. Maleficent smiled, happy that she could help. From that day on, the bird visited her garden every day, and Maleficent and the bird became the best of friends. Maleficent's garden continued to grow and flourish, and it became a place where all creatures great and small could find happiness. Maleficent's kindness and magic spread throughout the land, making it a better and more beautiful place for everyone. As night fell, Maleficent would sit in her garden and watch the stars. She would make wishes on each star, hoping that her magic would bring happiness and love to all who lived in her land. Maleficent's garden was a place of magic and wonder, a place where all were welcome. And as long as Maleficent lived, her garden would remain a beacon of hope and happiness for all who came to visit. The end.